What if I told you that you don't need more sleep, you need better sleep?
You've slept 8 hours before and still woke up feeling like a zombie? Other days, you slept less and felt sharp and alive.
So the question isn't, how can I sleep more? The real question is, how can I wake up fresh on less sleep?
We live in a world that steals our sleep.
Screens keep us awake at night. Your brain replays old embarrassing moments. We're told, sleep 8 hours or fail.
Your body counts quality, not hours.
Long sleep doesn't always mean good sleep. Broken sleep drains your recovery. Your body moves through recovery stages.
Interruptions steal deep rest.
Bad sleep is like charging with a broken cable.
The goal is not less sleep, but smarter sleep. Good sleep repairs your body faster. Your mind becomes clearer. Quality sleep creates real energy. Calm your mind before sleep. Lower the lights. Don't stress your body late at night. Create a small sleep ritual. Your body learns when it's time to rest. Darkness deepens sleep. Cool rooms help deep rest.
Silence protects sleep.
Consistency improves sleep cycles. Morning light wakes your brain. Gentle movement wakes your body. Your thoughts shape your energy. Change your morning mindset. He slept long but felt terrible. He fixed small habits. Same body, better sleep. Don't destroy your sleep. Chase quality, not fewer hours. Fix your evenings. Wake up fresh and focused. Follow for more simple life upgrades.